Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the beauty and versatility of the English language. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. The word we'll be diving into is badly, an A2 level adverb that means in a poor or unpleasant way. It's a word that pops up often in conversations, so let's get into what makes it so useful. Badly is a straightforward word that describes when something is done poorly or in an undesirable manner. For example, you might say, "She painted the wall badly, so it looks uneven." It captures the essence of something not going quite right. Now, let's talk about some synonyms. Words like poorly, inadequately, and unsatisfactorily can often take the place of badly. For instance, instead of saying, "He played badly in the game," you could say, "He played poorly in the game." Here's another example. The essay was written inadequately and lacked proper structure. Each of these words conveys a similar sense of falling short or not meeting expectations. On the other hand, antonyms of badly include words like well, successfully, and efficiently. These words suggest the opposite, a positive outcome, or doing something in a good way. For instance, "She sang well during the performance," or "the project was completed successfully." These examples highlight what happens when things go right instead of wrong. In everyday life, you might hear badly used in casual conversations or even in professional settings. For example, "I want this job so badly." Here, it's being used to show strong desire or emphasis. Another example could be, "The car broke down because it was maintained badly." This use demonstrates its original meaning of poor quality or lack of care. Let's look at a few more examples to cement your understanding. "He behaved badly at the party and upset everyone." "The furniture was assembled so badly that it collapsed." "I need a vacation so badly after all this work." Each of these sentences showcases different ways badly can be applied in real-world contexts. To sum up, badly is a versatile word that helps describe actions performed in an undesirable way or can add intensity to emotions or desires. We've explored its meaning, its synonyms like poorly and inadequately, and its antonyms like well and successfully. Thanks so much for tuning into this episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's exploration, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear from you, so why not create your own sentence using badly and share it in the comments? I can't wait to see what you come up with.
See you next time.